Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a daily news briefing workflow in Feedly. So setting up a daily news briefing workflow and that website or that app or whatever is about turning chaos. So like tons of articles into a clean, repeatable system you can follow in 10 to 15 minutes. So actually guys, first you will need to define your briefing goal. Okay, so before touching Feedly, decide what do you want daily updates on, like business, economy, technology, AI, e-commerce, marketing, local news, extra. So keep it to 2 to 4 topics max or it becomes overwhelming. So then just go ahead and create clean folder structure. Okay, so inside Feedly, organize like I'm going to show you. So you will need at first to go and click on an option you will find right here on the green color. It says create folder. Okay, so this is the folder section and then name it as the daily briefing. Okay, so that's the main folder. Global news, industry news, trends, competitors, extra. So this makes scanning super fast. And then just add only high quality sources. Okay, so don't add 50 sites starts with 5 to 10 strong sources. Okay, so actually guys, you can go with follow sources right here and then go with the websites. Choose if you want to go with tech, cybersecurity, marketing, business, etc. If you can't find the one that you are looking for, just go right here and type it. So for example, you can go with YouTube and you can enter the exact channel or the exact niche that you want to follow. Okay, and then just go with follow. Okay, and after that go with the folder that you just create. Okay, and click on add. So then all you need to do is open the Feedly on the morning or evening, then just go to the today or priority, scan headlines quickly, open only valuable articles, then save the best ones. Okay, and skip like 80% of content and then just turn the briefing into action. So after reading the one of these, post on social media, save ideas for later, share with team, write notes. So information is useless if you don't use it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.